following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Wood County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles west of Pittsville, or 30 miles west of Wisconsin Rapids, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pittsville around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lindsay, Scranton, Vedum, Northwood County Park, Dexterville, Powers Bluff County Park, Bethel, Vesper, Walker, and Arbin. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday for a portion of central Wisconsin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Wood, Wisconsin.
Eso nadie lo sabe.